What up, fam? So today I have a very special guest. He's actually waiting outside. You got the G behind me. Look at the wrap. It's coming in slowly, but here he is. Damn, son, you burn up or what?
Hell yeah.
It's like a hot.
It's hot as hell.
Yo, what are we gonna be doing to it today?
So we're going full bolt-on E85. We're gonna be putting the fuel pumps in, intakes, injectors, fuel system, flex fuel, and these babies right here.
Yeah, you got your downpipes in?
Downpipes, baby.
Damn, they look good. Let me see. Let me get a close up. Damn. So the reason he's doing all these mods is because I inspired him. Spanked his ass last weekend. Put a couple trains on him, huh?
Yep.
So hopefully we can get it knocked out today. It's gonna be a long day. Yo, I swear to God, the best place to buy your fucking OEM parts is Rock Auto. Yeah, so this piece fell off the caddy, and it obviously it tells me how much fuel I have. And I honestly don't think it's gonna fit. Let's see. Well, the only part I need is this, so I could probably just take this off and then put it on the other one. Alright, let's go see if it fits. Yep, smells like fuel and fucking air freshener. Alright, so here my pumps. Oh, I took the sensor off. The sensor goes right there, mounted. So it's got no swing arm, so I can't tell how much fuel I have. I wonder if it's sync connector. Nope. Alright, well, it's not the same connector, so I gotta take this off and put it on the on that one. Okay. I don't understand how that fell off. I swear to God, this one better not fall off. I've been having nothing but fuel issues with this thing right now. Cool. Move that out of the way. Replace this guy since I already have a new one. Oh shit. Alright. Well, let's go there. Cool, connected. Now I just gotta drop it in. Cool, easy day. That's in. I don't use that. Okay. What are you doing? Yeah, you just pressurized it. Nah, you just pressurized the fuel pump.
That's what it said. To relieve the pressure, you have to turn on the car.
Alright. This dude just turned on his car. We're pulling his fuel pump and he just pressurized the fuel pump. Huh?
That's what I thought too.
Nah, bro. Whatever. Needs to go over one more hop. There we go. Cool. Swear to God, if this doesn't work. Alright, time to turn it on, see if it reads my fuel level. Wish me luck. Alright, so all I gotta do is just turn the key and we'll see if my fuel level goes up. Wow, it did not go up. Oh, I know. I gotta reset it. Damn, they loud. There's a code for it. That code I gotta reset. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell no. Still says I got enough. gotta put the sensor on backwards or upside down. I don't know if you can see how hot it is. This Arizona heat ain't no joke. So, alright, let's try again, round 2. Oh, we got some progress. We got a quarter tank now. It still says I have a quarter tank, but that tank looks full as hell. Well, it reads a quarter tank, so that's good. I hope you guys can hear how insanely loud that is. Almost stalled it too. Oh my god, that's so loud. Well, it works now, so $50 part replaced and it works. Now I know how much gas I got. Now you know the struggles. Bro!
What?
You're supposed to take the whole basket out.
What are you talking about?
It broke off like this?
No, it's like this.
Oh, it is?
It's like this, yeah. Don't worry about it. It's like that.
No, where's it? There's supposed to be a spring. You sure it's like this?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
Look at that. Thought it broke it.
I don't want to break anything. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean, you got that GTR money, so just yank that bitch out.
Let me reset it.
That was part 1 of Fidel taking the fuel pump out. We'll be back in 2 hours. Alright, it's been 2 hours. We're still here. I had to come back and pull it out for him. Broke a nail or what? Let me see.
I definitely did.
Wow, why you mad? Oh shit. Would you look at that? Took it out like a boss. All you needed was a flathead. Damn, look at that. Shit, I should have just stolen yours, bro. That's what fell off of mine. Alright, we've made a little bit of progress. He's actually installing his fuel pumps right now. Hopefully he's not struggling. You good in there?
Yeah.
The main pipe is off, and we still gotta get the downpipes off. We're gonna get these downpipes installed right there. But they're actually soaked with PB Blaster right now because I don't want to strip a bolt, and you know, having to do some shady stuff to get it off. But waiting on the PB Blaster for a little bit, and then right now I'm gonna install the intakes. It's gonna be pretty easy. Gotta remove the air box. Gotta remove this guy to get access down there, and I'll get it in right now. All right, quick update. The stock piping is off. I'm working on trying to get the new piping on. Looks like I'm gonna have to take the front bumper off, or at least just the clips to get the footer in there. Well, looks like we're gonna be here all night. What you struggling with?
With a tiny connector.
So we got one. We got one downpipe off, and the other was still in there. Needs a couple more bolts, and then that connect. That's what he's struggling with right there. Once he gets that disconnected, downpipes will be out, and then the new ones will begin. I'm tired, dude. He's had me out here this whole time. Yeah, we've been out here since 1. It's already 8. It's like a whole nother fucking work shift, dude.
I know, right?
Why the hell is the fucking light like that? Well, the right side's done. Still waiting on the left. We couldn't take the O2 sensor off the left side, so I was gonna have to wait until tomorrow. But the right side's done. Everything's already hooked up. Fidel, we'll get it started tomorrow.
Oh, yes, sir.
If not,
Yes, sir, Bob.
if not, fire me. I'm gonna go make myself a bomb-ass michelada and fucking play some Warzone.
Didn't know